Hello everyone. So this video is gonna be very interesting. I will be taking the interviews of all the students in IIM Visakhapatnam. So you guys might have some idea that how interview went for IIM Visakhapatnam. You get some good questions also. So come with me. Hi Ishan.
Hi.
Can you just quickly tell us like what question you have been asked during your IIM Visakhapatnam interview?
So first of all, they asked me to introduce myself, and after introduction, they asked the question which whatever I mentioned in my introduction about my work experience, about my projects in my graduation, related to my internship and all. They asked me a question related to this, and then they asked me why do I have to join the MBA, and then what is my motivation to join IIM Visakhapatnam, and also they asked me about how I see myself in next 5 years after doing an MBA. So this kind of question were asked.
And any question specifically related to your domain or work
Yeah, they asked me about the domain, but that time I haven't fixed that I have to go to that particular
Okay.
domain. So I have questioned them back about which domain should I choose according to the market scenario. So that was it about my interview.
Any specific question from your location, from your city?
No. So actually, I have prepared about the thing, but they didn't ask me about the location and all. In my other interviews, the questions were asked, but not in this IIM Visakhapatnam interview.
Okay, so any pro tip you want to give?
I just want to give stay aware of whatever current affairs are going on. Second thing, if you are adding anything in your introduction, prepare it very well, and that's it. And be confident.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Anushri.
Hi.
Can you just quickly tell us like what question you have been asked during your IIM Visakhapatnam interview?
Okay, so since I'm from a biotechnology background, so I was asked about subject-related questions about how you do DNA sequencing, etc. And also, since I'm a fresher, I was asked that usually in the batch there are a lot of people who are from work experience, so they'll dominate you. So how
Yeah.
do you tackle people in those situations?
And any specific question related to your hometown or your city?
Not really.
Okay, so you have been asked during like these two questions only. Okay, so
So my interview started with a formal introduction, like what was my name. I had to tell about my background, about my 10th, 12th and graduation, and what was the stream actually. Then they asked 2 to 3 questions about my stream, and with respect to my work experience, there were many questions. As I had my own startup, that is my construction company. The major focus was on the startup, like what I did, what were the projects I undertook, and these were the questions that were majorly asked. And in the end, there were some light questions like what are the hobbies and what you like to do in your free time.
okay, so any domain specific questions or is question from your city related?
That was covered in the beginning of the interview, like
Okay.
in the introduction. So that was there, that was done. The major focus was on the management side of it. So, like, how did I run my company? How did I manage my company? That was the main focus in my interviews.
Okay, so any pro tip you want to give?
Yeah, pro tip will be thorough with the current affairs, like what is going on in the current scenario, current news.
Okay.
Be thorough with some basic concepts, and be thorough with your work if it is there in any.
Okay.
Be thorough with what you have written in your resume. That will be all.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So some general knowledge questions like the CM of Andhra Pradesh or the capital of Andhra Pradesh or that of your state. Then they generally ask like two favorite subjects from your undergraduate. So I have a BTech in computer science, so related to that. Then the normal curve, like they will ask you to make it. They can give an equation and then ask you to make the curve related to that. That's it.
Okay, and any specific tip you want to give to the upcoming batch?
I would say just be relaxed and be confident.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's it.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So mostly they ask about the general knowledge, what are the financial status right now. You can just prepare the budget that's came right now. They ask some question regarding that. It's mostly about my resume, where I worked, what are the work ex. Generally revolve around my resume, nothing else.
In which domain you have did your graduation?
So I did computer science engineering. So that's
You have been
construction site.
so you have been asked from your domain also any questions?
Not exactly the domain, but yeah, they asked some general mathematical questions like making a graph, writing an equation, and all this.
Okay, and any question related to your work experience?
Not exactly. They just want to know where I worked, not specifically in that domain.
Okay, any pro tip you want to give to the upcoming batch?
Just make sure you brush up your general knowledge and be thorough with the budget that's recently came.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you. All the best.
Okay, so first I just completed my graduation from BSc Mathematics. So like major question was asked from that subject area only. Like some of the question were asked from conditional probability. Then they asked, majorly they asked a very basic question from your graduation stream. And through technical based question they asked me relating AI and all. And very chill type of question like where is Visakhapatnam, how many IIMs are there.
So, do you have any work ex or are you a
No,
fresher?
I'm fresh. I completed my graduation in 2023. I appeared for CAT 2023 and 2024 I got the admission.
Okay, so any pro tip you want to give?
Like if you are like for me I can give the idea for the fresher. Like if you are a fresher, then be thorough with your background studies, which stream you belong to, and just sum up all the major points and simple basic such a question. Sometimes interview could be very tough. Just be confident. No need to get nervous. Okay, they'll ask very chill type of question.